People all over the world spend thousands of dollars each year on their affiliate businesses to ensure a consistent passive income. And I was one of them. It all started in 2015. I was tired of my 9-to-5 job and wanted to start something that would provide me with a steady stream of passive income, so I could quit my job and pursue my dreams. I started looking for good business opportunities. I was sold on the idea of affiliate marketing, and I liked Clickbank. It is one of the best platforms for affiliate marketers to rise and shine because it has a great reputation and, most importantly, it offers the best commission for affiliates, up to 75% per sale. There's only one problem that I noticed when I considered using Clickbank. When I started looking for good business opportunities, I suddenly thought of my colleague at the job, Eric. He was a part-time affiliate marketer. In his spare time, he was doing affiliate marketing. He used to write fitness blogs and promote fitness products from Clickbank. To be honest, affiliate marketing piqued my interest right away. I liked the overall concept. But I was skeptical at first, because he used to spend a lot of time and money on increasing traffic and visibility for his blogs. And even if thousands of people used to read his blogs on a regular basis and found them useful and valuable in their personal lives, he used to get relatively low conversions. Something didn't make sense. Despite having a cult-like following and a good reputation, his affiliate conversions was very low. I spoke with him and told him about my plans, and what he told me next surprised me. He advised me to avoid wasting my time and money on affiliate marketing. He was an experienced blogger who knew what he was talking about, had credibility and authority on the subject, and even had a cult-like following, but he was still struggling with conversions. This made me even more hesitant to start my own affiliate marketing business. That's because, unlike him, I didn't have any professional knowledge on any subject about which I could write. Even if I wrote about something and got a lot of traffic, there was a good chance my conversion rates would end up like Eric's. But, deep down, I was sold on the idea of Clickbank affiliate marketing. I used to read and follow a lot of affiliate marketing content, and I liked really Clickbank, because I found it one of the best platforms for affiliate marketers to rise and shine, since it has a great reputation and it offers the best commission for affiliates, up to 75% per sale. But Eric's example made me reconsider my decision to start an affiliate business. I was extremely perplexed and worried. But then, one day, while casually scrolling through the Clickbank product list, I came across CBPROADS. It piqued my interest. I read a few reviews about it, which provided me with some in-depth information about what it is. And then I realized that this is exactly what I was looking for. But, considering Eric's example, I was still skeptical, and while those reviews were positive, I'd still prefer first-hand experience over any review. So, I told Eric about it, and he said it looks promising, and he'd give it a shot anyway because it's cheaper and easier to apply. After a few days, he had completed all the necessary setup to make this tool work for him. Surprisingly, his conversions began to improve day by day. People used to click on his affiliate links before using this tool, but they never purchased the products. However, after using CBPROADS, he saw his conversions more than double in just a few weeks. Then I realized what his problem was. He was using the tools Clickbank offered, which were quite inadequate. Even if Clickbank is the best affiliate marketing platform in its market, it provides very few options to its users and affiliates. Everything is beyond your ability to control and customize. He had no say over the appearance of the PPC ads he placed on his websites. People already find advertisements irritating, so if there are a slew of them all over the site, they'll become irritated quickly, resulting in a massive drop in conversion rates. He didn't have a storefront and relied solely on Clickbank's XML feed for product information. Clickbank does not provide its users with a storefront to display their products. Instead, it displays a long, visually unappealing, and confusing list of products with descriptions. So, it was clear that these were the biggest gaps in his affiliate business funnel, and using CBPROADS assisted him in filling up those gaps and smoothing out the sales process. I was so impressed by the results he achieved with CBPROADS that I immediately implemented it into my new affiliate business, and, despite my lack of experience, I was still able to achieve a surprising amount of success. I'm happy with CBPROADS and will continue to use it until I find a better alternative to, which I believe will be difficult. So you can get a better picture of it, here's a list of its features and benefits of CBPROADS, and how they all help me run a successful affiliate business. Feature number 1. Affiliate storefront affiliate marketers without websites will benefit from this tool. Clickbank does not provide affiliates with a storefront. Instead, they receive an XML feed that appears to be boring and is confusing to many people. CBPROADS, on the other hand, provides you with a wide range of storefront templates to choose from. You can choose it, customize it, and use it to monetize your visitors. It's an excellent tool for keeping your sales funnel simple and easy to navigate for your visitors. Feature number 2. Automation. Even if you have your own storefront or website, you must make changes to it on a regular basis. This is since Clickbank's feed is constantly changing. Adding new products to the list, removing expired product offers, and changing product descriptions and images are all examples of this. Using Clickbank's XML feed, you'll need to update the list to add new products or remove old ones. This is an extremely important and challenging task. Some affiliate marketers even employ virtual assistants to assist them with this task. However, when you use CBPROADS, they take care of this difficult task for you. That is, you don't have to keep an eye on your store or be concerned about it all the time. They will update product information, remove or add new products without you having to do it manually every time. Feature number 3. WordPress plugin. If you have a website where you want to promote Clickbank products, integrating a niche storefront into it can be a good option because it gives you 100+ customizable templates to choose from in an automated service that updates all of the product information on your site on a daily basis. These templates are categorized into a variety of popular niches, including online dating, Forex, mixed martial arts, work from home, and many others. Feature number 4. Ad Rotator. With the help of this tool, you can create your own personal ads and publish them on your website. However, don't forget to paste the script into the widget in the sidebar. To do so, go to the bottom of the page and click the Generate Script button. Even though Clickbank is the most popular affiliate platform today, it still has room for improvement in terms of user-friendliness. CBPROADS ultimately improves the appearance of Clickbank. I believe that CBPROADS is the most effective tool for increasing Clickbank's potential. It serves as the missing cherry on top of this massive affiliate platform. This is also the best option for some serious startups that don't have or can't afford their own website. And it's also a great tool for people who own a blog or a website because you get to use and benefit from incredible features like their Ad Rotator tool, hundreds of storefront templates, and much more. The most important thing to note is that the storefront is updated automatically. I'd also like to appreciate CBPROADS support staff for their efforts. It's like one of the best customer service experiences I've ever had in my journey as an affiliate marketer and working with dozens of Clickbank products. Their responses are prompt and polite. They are also incredibly patient and helpful. Click the link on the description below to find out more about CBPROADS. By using our unique CBPROADS, you will have the chance to multiply your Clickbank earnings faster. Read the description below to find out more about CBPROADS.